Hey guys, this is Emo Cookie X Apple. This is my best friend, Jared91. Your eyes are showing.
I don't care.
Okay, this friendship is about. This did I just say this friendship?
Yes, you did.
Okay, this video. Stop laughing! It makes me laugh. Okay, this video is about love and friendship. Did anybody see that? Oh, fucking heart. Just forget. You can see the friendship and love here. Little heart. Little heart. You forgot everything, didn't you?
I'm sorry. Pay too much attention.
I can't see my freaking heart. Okay. Sorry, we just ate a cookie and I'm dying on it.
Oatmeal. Windmeal.
Windmeal? What?
It's an oatmeal windmeal.
I did not taste any oatmeal in that. But it
It
was good. Okay, so I'm just gonna stare at you. I'm just gonna for
That's
fun.
really great.
Okay. Would you stop being a shy little butt? Okay. So basically, this video is just, send it to your 15 closest friends, right?
Yep.
Basically saying that you care about them, that you guys are grateful. Are you pointing at me?
Yes.
The screen couldn't even see that.
Cool.
You just showed your eyes.
Yes,
Okay.
now I realized.
She's beautiful eyes, but she won't show them.
Cute.
To you too.
Okay.
Tickles my tongue. Okay, so basically, if you get this video, that means you're awesome and you're. Okay, that didn't work out so well. Hand.
What am I doing?
Heart. Means you're loved.
Yeah, love.
Loved or friend loved. You might not be a homo, so you might be a friend loved.
Yeah.
I almost said hobo. So yeah, basically send this to your real close 15 friends, maybe more, I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe you have 1 million friends and you can't choose 15. But yeah, your closest friends, just kind of send it to them, show them that you care and love them.
And she's awesome, so subscribe to her because she's so awesome. She's the best friend ever.
She just poked my boob on accident.
Not my fault. I can't even see you, so not my fault.
You're like this, poke. Ow.
Okay.
But yeah, this video's friendship. We can beat each other up because we're like sisters at heart, but I have no
Yeah.
siblings.
I have a sibling, but she
She's
hurts
a devil.
me. Yeah.
Did I hurt you?
Yeah, you hurt me too. We're good.
We're all good. Jasmine?
Yes.
Peace. Peace.
Peace.